Hello everybody, good morning, namaste. This is Santosh. You are watching your favorite channel, New Creation Rai Santosh. Yeah, I'm gonna make some video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And finally, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. Please, thank you so much. Actually, this one is very beautiful PIPAL tree bonsai. It has a big trunk already. It had been planted before 5 years ago. In beginning, it was planted into the small one bonsai pot. Otherwise, you can see this spot also. It is hiding under the soil. You have to wait a bit longer. I'll make it show, no problem. I planted this tree over here because it has a sufficient soil, so the trunk will be increased very fast. It means the trunk will be huge one. So I just want to take out this tree from here and I will go for pruning and refruiting. Here we go. Okay. Here's one yours. I do inside. Okay, just wanna cut this also. I think then it will be come out easily. Okay. Finally, I'm feeling little tired, but I could be better succeed to take out this tree from the fort. Yeah, 45 minutes left already to come out this tree from the fort. That's why the tree roots have been spread in everywhere. So I was feeling so difficult. Anyway, I could be better succeed for this work. No problem. Okay, here we go. Right now, I just want to start to prune out these branches and all. That's why I'm having a disturbance. Alright, look at this. I just want to report this tree. This one is rectangle shape, handmade. It is created by myself. I just want to put here. How does it look? Okay. It has a many black spots, so we should cut out these black roots. So it is called death roots. Later new aerial roots will come out from cutting place. So if we cut the black one roots, the trunk will be huge and gets nutrition due to new aerial roots. So it is necessary to clear all death aerial roots. It is compulsory, should be cleared. Yeah, whatever we can see, the black one roots are damaged. Look at over here thoroughly. The black one roots, these are all wastage roots. So it will be better to remove at all. Finally, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon please. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.